Good morning, guys. Today is 4:30, April 30, and today I'm gonna make a particular review, especially about Neo. Neo is my number one coin for shorting. I'm getting ready to short Neo for the next bear market. Now, in the last review, I did talk about my condition, but since I made the review about Neo, we didn't have any major change of. I have the same view about it now. I start shorting Neo around 91 at that line. Now, first of all, let's talk about the big time frame. Now we're in the monthly time frame. This zone right here, there is the highest close, and this is the lowest close. Now, one of the reasons why I like to trade conferences is because they create opportunities for major swings. Since, for an example, like the one we had here, for an example, we had a lowest close in the last bear market of 2018. The lowest close of Neo was $6. It was around January 2019, and after a few months, October, like it's almost a year, we did go on that zone again. The moment we touched that zone, Neo bounced all the way up to 193%, all the way up to $16. Then after that, the third time we go over that same zone, Neo did go very low, but right after that we shoot all the way up to $91, which is 1300% profit. Now, this is the exact same thing we are expecting here. We have three major lines, and these zones they represent massive selling pressure zone creating by previous people that have been trapped at a higher price, and they are ready to dump their coin and maybe moving to something else with better performance like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Now, because of that, I am getting ready to short those zones of confiances. Now, this line right there is support is a resistance created by the weekly time frame, since it's a white line, and we have the highest close here on the monthly time frame, which is $146. When you go down on the weekly time frame, the first thing I have is that potential downtrend line. Okay, now I place this potential downtrend line for future zone of taking profit. My goal is to short Neo all the way down to $6, but I am pretty sure that we might have some reaction if we touch that line. So if my conditions are, if my short position stay in the condition, and then I still keep that position open, I will probably take some profit if we touch that line. Now, the reason why I have this is because of this swing right there. Okay, we had a swing here and win here. I did not pay attention to this one because it did not really react at that zone, but this swing create on April between February 2018 and April 2018 is the first zone of selling pressure. So I did place a short here at $91. And then this is the line that I showed you in the monthly time frame, but this one right there at $168 is the highest close on the weekly time frame. So I have some order here, and here, and here. Now, these orders, they are not huge orders. The reason why I'm not gonna beef up these orders yet is because we are not in a bear market yet. These are tiny orders that I am placing here and there in case something happen, or in case we have a flash crash, a flash run, and then we never made it to that zone. I know for a fact that I had a couple of short positions that I've been hoping have the best price possible in the market. So this weekly line right there and this monthly line right there, I actually want Neo to go up there, because the way that I plan this short, remember guys, these are tiny position. I might increase the size of this position if we for an example, by November this year, or if we get higher. Now the point is that I don't know if I've told you this. I'm using time to time wait, give me a minute. Yeah, time to leverage. So which means that if I have one nail here, this is gonna be like 2 nail here. So this position times 2, so that gives you like 3, and 3, I have like 6 here, so I will give you that 9, and that will give you 18 nail here. So it's like always it's time 2 every time. So 1 times 2 give you 2. That will be the second order for short position. This entire thing together give you a 3 nail, and times 2 that give you 6, and this entire thing give you 9, and together that give you 18. The reason is that this way of laddering will increase your average entry price to a better zone in which you will be able to take profit, or to place your stop loss in a region where you can actually protect the gain and put yourself in the money earlier. That will give you a margin of decision that you can make in the market. So that's it for Neo. Now, my condition, like I always tell you, you must always have a condition to close a position. My only condition to close this short, because I already know how much money I'm willing to risk like there, is if we have a monthly candle that open and close over $190. If we have a monthly candle that open and close over $190, I will take the loss. That is my only one and only condition. Now, so far, since the moment I opened this short around $91, Neo did go all the way to 130. I did regret that we didn't touch 156. I will have like more on the market, but that's okay. I can't wait. And this zone is a confluence zone, and the more time the market spent without going through it, the stronger it gets, and the higher the odds for us to make money on that big short. Now, this short is important because this is probably this is gonna be one of the biggest short position in the next bear market that I'm gonna do, and you guys will be able to see me doing this in real life, because this is at the very beginning of this trade. So this might be a trade that might last like 6 or 7 months, but you will see the process of looking for it, open the position, and the analysis I do behind this thing. So that's it for Neo. And if you have any question, guys, feel free to, you gotta join me on the virtual Bitcoin server, where I post all my trade free and transparently, and you'll be able to ask me questions directly. It's a learning community. Everybody is there for the same reason, and there's many other traders there and analysis. You can learn from different style. All right, guys, have a good one and take care. Bye.